Guys, at first I want to thank you all for 300 subscribers. Thanks for being a part of this journey with me. I hope my edits entertained you all. I know 300 is not a huge number, but for me it's a lot. However, let's start today's video. Today I'm gonna give you trending sound effects used by FicTech, Heisty and CAF edits. You can use these on your edits. Complete 10 likes on this video and the Google Drive link will be yours, and hit the red button. Enjoy.